So far be it for me to further spread conspiracy theories, but I just came out of a 20-minute dish sesh with my pharmacist, and I had to share with you guys what I learned. Firstly, disclaimer, this all came from a conversation with a pharmacist who may or may not have been lying to me, but I kind of trust him a little, Google at will. So as some of you may know, there's been an Adderall shortage for the past year and a half, maybe 2 years. And it has really affected a lot of people with ADHD and their ability to get their prescriptions, to fill their prescriptions. Like they have legitimate diagnoses, are getting legitimate prescriptions, and are trying to fill them at pharmacies, but everyone's running out. So you have these crazy stories about people traveling for 2-3 hours to get to a pharmacy that has it in stock, and they can't find it, all this stuff. Prices have soared. Another thing that has been happening, and this is where the conspiracy theory kind of comes in, is that people have been taking their prescriptions that they've taken for years, for half their lives, and be like, you know what? My prescription isn't working, or it feels weaker. The effects are not what they're supposed to be. What's going on with this shortage? Are people diluting our medicine? Is everything weaker? What are they putting in the meds? Well, as crazy as those claims may sound, you're not crazy. You're not crazy. That's what I learned. So what happens is this. In drug manufacturing, you generally have a certain kind of acceptable range or percentage of error, right? A drug manufacturer will maybe have 90% or 98% accuracy or fidelity to the original script, as in 98% strength of the drug that is supposed to be 100% strength. However, in a shortage, basically you run out of the 98% accurate ones and you have to start going to the cheaper and cheaper ones and the shittier and shittier ones. So go down as low as 70% accurate. According to my pharmacist, Adderall is one of the drugs that has a wider range of acceptable dosage variants. So yeah, a lot of us are getting prescriptions that are as low as 70% accurate, which means you could be getting prescriptions that are 70% as strong as what you're supposed to. 70%. And that's allowable. And so during a shortage, a lot of people are getting a lot of these shittier ones, and that's what's happening. You're not crazy. You are not crazy. Your meds were weaker. Your meds were cheaper, shittier, and weaker. Stop letting the U.S. healthcare industry gaslight you.